Understanding local markets, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the phrase, local markets. Understanding such phrases is key to enhancing your English skills, especially if you're interested in travel, culture, or economics. Let's explore what local markets are and why they're important. Local markets refer to marketplaces within a specific geographical area, usually a town or a city. These markets are where local sellers come together to offer goods and services. Unlike large shopping malls or online stores, local markets often have a distinct community feel and are known for selling handmade, traditional, or region-specific products. Local markets are more than just shopping destinations. They are vital for cultural exchange and economic growth within a community. Here, you can find unique items that reflect the local culture and traditions. They also provide a platform for small businesses and artisans to thrive, supporting the local economy. Every region has its own type of local market. For instance, a farmer's market in a rural area might sell fresh produce and homemade goods, while an urban flea market could offer vintage clothing and antiques. These examples help you understand the variety and uniqueness of local markets around the world. Visiting a local market is not just about shopping, it's an experience. You get to interact with locals, learn about their way of life, and practice your English in real-life situations. It's a great place to practice phrases like, "How much is this?" or, "Can you tell me more about this product?" That's all on local markets. Remember, exploring these markets can enrich your travel experiences and give you a deeper insight into the local culture. We hope you found this video helpful. Keep practicing your English, and see you in our next lesson.